Today I am with SQL Joins. Let me explain what are SQL Joins. Let's start with the definition. What is SQL Joins? A SQL join statement is used to combine data or rows from two or more tables based on a common field between them. Let's take an example. We have two tables, orders table and customer table. We can join both tables on the basis of the common key between them, and the common key is customer ID of orders table, whose name is cust ID, and the customer table ID is. This is the common key between both tables. On the basis of that key, we can join both tables. Some key notes about joins. First, there should be one or more joining keys between two tables. Here we have one joining key, but we can have one or more joining keys, and the data type of the joining keys should be compatible with each other. The data type of cust ID and the data type of ID must be same. And it is not necessary for the common keys to have same name in both tables. In orders table, the name of the customer ID is cust ID, and we can see the in customer table, the name of the customer ID is ID. Then it is not necessary for the common keys to have same name in both tables. Let me explain about different type of joins. The first is, mainly we have five type of joins. First is inner join, the second is left join, third right join, fourth full outer join, and the fifth is cross join. Let us see first inner join. The inner join keyword select common records in both tables. Here we can see we have two tables, table A and the table B. With the use of inner join, we can retrieve the common data between both tables. And the syntax of inner join is select list, the column we want to select from table A, inner join table B on the basis of A dot key is equal to B dot key. Key is the common key between both tables. And the second join is left join, or we can say left outer join. Here we can the left join returns all records in the left table and matching records from the right table. Here we can see we have two tables, table A and table B. With the use of left join, we can retrieve the old data of table A with the matching data from table B. And the syntax of left join is select list from table A, left join table B on the basis of A dot key is equal to B dot key. Let me explain the third join, the right join or right outer join. The query returns all the records in the right table and the matching records from left table. We have table A and table B. With the use of right join, we can retrieve the complete data of table B, that's the right table, and the common data between both tables. The syntax of right join is select list from table A, right join table B on A dot key is equal to B dot key. The fourth is full outer join. Full outer join returns all records from both tables. Join records from the left that match records from the right. The full outer join, we can say the complete data of table A and the complete data of table B. The syntax of full outer join is select list from table A, full outer join table B on A dot key is equal to B dot key. And the fifth join is cross join. In cross join, each row from table 1 joins with all the rows of another table. Here we can see the first row of table A join all the rows of the table B. First row, then second row, then third row. Then the second row of table A join all the rows of table B, and that's continue. And if we have X rows in table A and Y rows in table B, then the output rows will be X into Y. And the syntax of a cross join is select star from table 1, cross join table 2. Let's take example of each joins. We have two tables, table 1 and table 2. And the common key between both tables is A. A is in both tables. And the some common data in both tables. Let me explain with example inner join. We have two tables, table 1, table 2. With the use of inner join, we can retrieve the common data between both tables. Here I use select star from table 1, inner join table 2 on table 1 dot A is equal to table 2 dot A, because A is the common key between both tables. We have this common data from both tables, and the output of the inner join will be with the common data between both tables. Here we can see let me explain left join. We have two tables again, table A and table B, and the common key between both tables is table A. A is the common key between both tables. With the use of left join, we can retrieve the complete data of table left table and the common data of both tables. Select star from table 1, left join table 2 on the basis of the common key, and the common key is A. The first column is the common key of in both tables, and the output is the complete data of table A. Here we can see the null values, because the data of column 1, the data of row 1 and 2 is not present in table 2, then it shows null values. Here we can see the complete data of table A and the common data between both tables. And the third is right join. Again, we have two tables, table 1 and table 2. In table 1, We can see here the common data between both tables, and with the use of right join, we can retrieve the complete data of table 2, means the right table and the common data of both tables. And the common data is the rows 3, 4, 5. Then syntax is select star from table 1, right join table 2 on table 1 dot a is equal to table 2 dot a, because a is the common key between both tables, and the output will be the table 1 columns and table 2 columns. It shows null here because in table 1 there is no records of row ID 6 and 7. Let's take an example of full outer join. Full outer join retrieve complete data of table A with complete data of table B, and the syntax, the query is select star from table 1, full outer join table 2 on table 1 dot a is equal to table 2 dot a. Here we can see in table 1 the row ID 1 and 2 is not common in both tables. Then we can see in output it shows null values in the columns of table B. Here we can see the complete data of table 1 and the complete data of table 2. Now let me explain cross join. In cross join, the column of table 1, the first row of table 1 join the all rows of the table 2. Then the second row of table 1 join all rows of the table 2, and the output rows will be, if x rows in table 1 and y rows in table 2, then output rows will be x into y. In output we can see here the first row ID of table 1 first join all the rows of the table 2, then the second row ID of table 1 join the all row of table 2, and the query syntax is select star from table 1 cross join table 2, or here we can see the output of this query. These are the joins. Thank you.